All right, guys, welcome to another Backtrack Saturday. And if you're noticing right now, if you've been watching this series, my surroundings are totally different right now. And there's a reason for that. We are actually filming right now out of my RV. We are in Albuquerque, New Mexico at this moment. We are visiting some family, and we are filming some things along the way. And so that is all coming not this week, but next week. You'll be seeing some new footage from our trip here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So this is a part 10 of Backtrack Saturdays. And so here's what you've missed up until now. Hey YouTubers out there. Hey, so we haven't done a travel video in a while. This is our 30th anniversary coming up this month of July, and so we originally had a trip planned to go to Spain and fly into Barcelona and then take a cruise ship to France, Rome, Italy, the whole area over there, and that got canceled because of COVID-19. So as you can imagine, we were kind of disappointed about that. So we have a secondary trip that we planned, and we're heading to Virginia.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming.
Official, Tennessee is conquered.
Believe me, when they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him.
So we got into Virginia late yesterday afternoon, and
a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off.
So they have a living labyrinth right here that's all shrubs.
You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Okay, so to put this in context, I've been filming something new for the past year, practically, or at least I have been trying to. And there was one winter day when it was super cold outside. It was below 0 degrees Fahrenheit in the Texas Panhandle where I live. And there was no way I was getting outdoors. I was not traveling. I was not filming. And so I went on my computer and I found some old footage from 2020. That's right, the year of COVID-19, when the pandemic shut down the entire world. In fact, we had a cruise lined up. We were going to fly into Barcelona, Spain and pick up a cruise ship. We were going to go to France and Italy and Rome. We were going to have the time of our lives. It all got shut down. And so we took a road trip from Texas to Virginia and filmed everything in between, and I did nothing with it. And so that's what Backtrack Saturdays are all about. I've been a little bit overly dependent on them. And so in episode 9, we just concluded a little bit ago, and now we're in 10, where we actually go to Yorktown and we check out the river beach area, and we take a schooner, just an unexpected trip. We found a schooner ship, the Alliance, and we booked 2 seats on it, and we went down the Yorktown River, which feeds into Chesapeake Bay, and we had a great time. And so we're going to pick up from where we left off in part 9 with part 10 starting right now. If you enjoy fascinating day trips, vacation hotspots, and unique roadside attractions, help us to grow and find new audiences by liking, subscribing, and smashing that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. We hope you enjoyed today's journey in this Backtrack Saturday episode, where we piece together lost footage of our road trip from Texas to Virginia during the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic of 2020. This series continues as we wrap up our final day in Virginia. So join us next time with part 11, where we travel to Virginia's capital in Richmond and see history unfold with the defacing and toppling of historic monuments during the COVID-19 pandemic, when rioters seemed to face no consequences for their destruction and nightly organized looting and anarchy. We continue documenting our continued travels as we journey back to Texas, taking in another beautiful state of North Carolina. Join the adventure as we post new episodes every Saturday at 6 p.m. Central Time. Until next time, happy travels.